CorpBiz.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit and you're watching CorpBiz. Today in this video, we are going to tell you about the sole proprietorship registration. Why one should choose a sole proprietorship registration, what are the various benefits of having a sole proprietorship business, what are the documents that you will be requiring at the time of sole proprietorship registration, and at last we'll also cover the whole procedure that is required for the sole proprietorship registration. So let's begin the video. What is a sole proprietorship? So a sole proprietorship is a form of business which is owned and managed by an individual. You can also say that an individual who wishes to sell his or her own product and services can run their business as a sole proprietor and can enjoy the right provided by a registered legal company. If we talk about the example of the sole proprietorship, then it can be a grocery shop, a chemist shop, or a saloon. Apart from that, a sole proprietorship business is preferable and the most popular form of business. Look, sole proprietorship form of business is the most simplest and easiest to form at nominal cost, but a basic question arises in our mind that why to choose a sole proprietorship business? So we will also tell you about that why, what are the important or why one should choose a sole proprietorship form of business. Provide flexibility in carrying out business activities. One of the oldest and easiest form of business structure. Single hand control. Easy to start and close. Hassle-free business structure with very few compliance. Self accountability. Bring your own boss means you are not answerable to any shareholder or director. Decision making power. Do not have to share your income and profit with anyone. And at last, no dispute between the members. So many plus points of having a sole proprietorship form of business. And now we are going to tell you about the benefit if you are going to have a sole proprietorship firm registration. So many plus points of having a sole proprietorship firm. Now we are going to tell you about the benefit of having a sole proprietorship firm. An individual who acts as a sole proprietor can invest from his own financial asset and from other financial institution and also can borrow money to commence his business. A single person has the hold on the entire business means he is the owner of the business, and in case he can also transfer his ownership as per his wish to anyone. The plus point is that all the income generated goes to the owner, and apart from that, all the debt incurred is also suffered by the owner only, means he cannot share it with someone else. Since business and the owner are no separate identities, so personal property of the owner can be used to pay the debt incurred. Sole proprietorship comes with few formalities and documentation before and after. Control power of the business is in one single hand, means the person is not answerable to anyone. With his skill and specification, he can carry on his business further. Now we will talk about the document that you will be requiring for a sole proprietorship firm registration. Aadhaar card of the proprietor, PAN card of the proprietor, current bank account, number of the proprietor. Apart from that, office proof means address proof. In case of rented resident, then you need rent agreement and NOC from landlord. Now is the time for the registration procedure of the sole proprietorship firm registration. GST registration certificate. This registration is applicable when the annual turnover is more than 20 lakh and also applicable for the business running online. MSME registration certificate. This registration is applicable when the business is only in one state and the annual turnover is less than 20 lakh. License for Shop and Establishment Act. This registration is applicable when the annual turnover is more than 20 lakh. So this was all the information regarding the sole proprietorship firm registration, and if you are single-handed and planning to form a sole proprietorship firm, then you can contact CorpBiz, as CorpBiz has a dedicated team that will guide you timely and make your work comfortable and easy. Take care and bye.